Today, a lot of tips and tricks about regular household items are popular. These simple items always turn out to be helpful for many other purposes, aside from their intended use. Baking soda, for one, has a ton of uses that most individuals are not even aware of. What is baking soda anyway? Baking soda is scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate. It is composed of sodium and bicarbonate ions that appear as a fine powder. Baking soda is one of the most widely used leavening products in pastries. This means that it's used to cause baked goods to rise. Basically an alkaline compound, it produces carbon dioxide when mixed with acid. This gas produces small bubbles that become trapped in batter, causing it to rise or inflate. That being said, I'm pretty sure you all have baking soda at home. Did you know that it can be used for other purposes, aside from baking? Well, here are 8 tips and tricks using baking soda every woman should know. Number 1. Natural deodorant. Baking soda has properties ideal to combat body odor without using chemicals. Mix 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda and a small amount of water. Do not dissolve it and make sure it's a little rough. Rub it under your arms. Number 2. Ease insect bite irritation. Baking soda can ease and provide relief from a mosquito bite. Just mix a little baking soda and water. Apply it to the bug bute and let it stay there for about 10 minutes. Number 3. Heartburn. Heartburn is irritating and painful. To feel instant relief without taking medicines, mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water, 8 ounces. It can neutralize stomach acids. Number 4. Body scrub. Baking soda is a natural exfoliant. Mix equal parts of water and baking soda. Apply and rub it on the skin to naturally remove dead skin and blackheads. Number 5. Hair growth. Use baking soda to get rid of dirt on the scalp and hair strands. This will make it easier for the hair to grow long and strong. Just mix equal parts of water and baking soda and put the mixture in a squeeze bottle. Apply it into the hair and scalp and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing. Number 6. Stretch marks. Since baking soda is a natural exfoliant, it removes dead skin cells. Apply it into the stretch marks to help lighten or remove them faster and easier. Number 7. Rough skin. Rough skin is usually seen on the soles of the feet. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes in warm water. After that, mix baking soda and water and rub it on the soles and heels. Number 8. Stains. Are you tired of hard to remove stains? Baking soda will do the trick. Mix 4 tablespoons of baking soda with 1/4 cup of water. Use the paste on the stains to remove them. If you liked the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Trusted Center.